I just spotted a ton of golf clubs. Why'd you leave me? Oh my gosh, it sold for $50 and it had 2 holes in it. They're asking $150 for it. What is up, YouTube? It has been a busy day. It's cold and rainy, but we've been having lots of fun. And when I say we, I really mean it this time. I've got my awesome wife with me. She had the day off. We've been hitting up thrift stores, looking for stuff to sell online for a profit, and we found some pretty cool stuff. Hit a bunch of stores, had a lot of fun. Stay tuned, we'll tell you all about it. First stop, what are you hoping to find?
Anything, I'm just glad to be off work.
I hear you. So this may be the first find of the day. It's huge, but I've sold one before on Facebook locally for $100. They want $25.99 for it. It's a fluidity. It's like fold out mat type Pilates bar thingy. Not real sure, but like I said, I've sold one before for $100. They want $25 for it. On eBay, I mean, brand new 250. These are pre-owned for $189 plus shipping. I definitely don't want to ship something that big, but I mean, $135, $175. Don't know. I'm gonna think about that. We'll see. All right, so you're looking at t-shirts. What are you looking for specifically?
Anything.
Made in the USA, single stitch, that kind of stuff?
Sure.
Or just stuff for yourself?
Both.
Oh, cool. I don't do a lot of DVDs, but I found this Total Gym beginner program. There's 18 listed and 30 something have sold. I mean, pre-owned 23, new 25, new 29, new 23. First of the year should hopefully sell pretty quick. Also got the advanced program. I don't do a lot of DVDs, and these may be available on eBay. I have to double check, but I can at least list them on my car. It looks like they sell pretty quick. I just spotted a ton of golf clubs. Gotta go check them out. Junk. Gregor. Nothing. It's all junk. Alright, what'd you find? Was it like a homeschool cards or something?
I guess so.
We got one that sold for $18 plus shipping. There's only one listed in the box. And they want how much for it?
$2.99.
Hopefully it's a fast seller. Let's grab it. Found this Magnavox combo unit. If you guys don't know, this thing sells super quick. They only want $5.99 for it. Went up front and got a VHS and a DVD to test it with. Problem is, put the VHS in there and makes a little bit of noise. And it just cuts off. I don't know what's going on. Glad I tested it before I bought it though. So I've got this thing set up and it's a little dusty, but everything works and there's no like major stains or tears or anything. All the bars and everything work like it's supposed to. I'm gonna go grab it. I think I can turn 25 into 100 locally. I'm putting her to work. She's got the Pilates thing. It actually ended up being on sale. It was 25% off. It had a green tag, so it was 19 something. Got the 2 workout DVDs and like the homeschool cards. What are they, like flashcards? So good stop, bad stop.
Pretty good.
Definitely.
It's been a little while in there though.
Yeah, it was good. So I was worried that I would have to fold down the seats because we have to go get our kids later, and I didn't want to have to go home and unload this. But this thing fit perfect. I mean, it's like the 4Runner was made for it. So yeah, last time I was here, I paid $9 for 2 sets of books. Sold one set for $50 and another set for $76. And of course, that's the first place I go to now. I'm not seeing anything. But you guys ever do that? Go back to the section where you last found something in a store. Like they're magically gonna make more and put them out. That's apparently what I'm doing now. So that sweater machine used to be a huge bolo. Like I'd sell them for $100, $150. Looks like the prices have gone down a lot. Definitely not worth $35 that they're asking for it. I found nothing, and my wife even left me. She's already in the car. So what'd you buy?
Nothing.
Why'd you leave me? You're too excited to get to the next spot, aren't you?
Yeah, I was getting bored in there. We were in there too long, finding nothing.
You never know, though. You don't know until you go. That's what they say. That's what I say. Can you find me a bunch of golf clubs and stuff?
I wish we could find salt.
You hard at work?
Men or women?
Go for Sloan?
Yeah.
She'll wear it. Doesn't matter. So, nothing except, well, we did get some pajamas for our Harry Potter obsessed kid.
And a dress.
And a dress for the other one. So, got some kids' clothes for our kids. Leave me a comment down below. Do you buy your kids' clothes from thrift stores? We do quite a bit. Then when we get done with them, we actually sell them back to Once Upon a Child. And you'd be surprised at how much you can get for doing that. You can actually check that out. I did a video on it last time I traded stuff in. I'll put it up here if I can remember, but hopefully we have better luck at the next spot, and it might be time for a caffeine boost. Dirty Chateau Latte, light water, add cinnamon, grande. So we really haven't got anything the last 2 stops other than personal stuff, but I'm feeling lucky. I'm getting a buggy at this one. I'm getting a buggy. We're gonna fill it up.
What, you gonna put me in it, push me around?
If I have to, but we're gonna fill it up. I gotta feel it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. First time finding Rothy's. They're gonna be $6.50, I think. But check out comps. I mean, and the sell-through rate is insane. They should sell in a day or 2. Awesome find. Oh, got a pair of Chacos too. Bread and butter, 20-30 bucks. Found these Wilson Stab CI6. The labels are rubbed off, but the faces and everything look good. Shafts look good. It's not a whole set, but it's like 8/9 pitching wedge, sand wedge, and gap wedge, which is all the lower clubs. Those sell quicker. I think they're going to be 89 cents a piece. Well, hello, old friend. Prana is definitely a good brand. It's like a wool blend. Oh, it's only gonna be $5.75. I'm gonna grab that.
A Mizuno Maxi Flex.
So that looks like a first baseman's net. Do you see a number anywhere? Don't I want $4 for it?
Nope.
You can look it up, maybe.
Fairly good condition.
Yeah, that looks like a first baseman's net.
Over here. F16.
You can only find one comp, but for $4 and the 40, we'll take that. Nice find. Spotted this shirt. It's an old Jersey sweatshirt. Somebody put these bears on here and they actually cut the sweatshirt open and put Velcro down here to make it like wearable, and it jingles and everything. Kayla's going to show you. It's a 2X, so it's a little big on her, but I mean, how cool. Somebody took time doing that. That is crazy. Are you going to get it for like Christmas next year? Maybe for ugly Christmas sweater?
I don't know. I feel like it would be too big for me.
Yeah, it's a little big, but that's still cool. I mean, somebody took a lot of time to do that. That's crazy. So I didn't completely fill the cart, but we did pretty good. Got the golf clubs. I mean, you're looking at $20 a piece, paying 95 cents for them a piece. The Mizuno glove, maybe 20-30 bucks, paying $4 for it. The Prana jacket, I'm not real sure, maybe $30. And I paid $5.75 for it, I believe. And then the Rothy's were definitely the find of the day. And then the Chacos, some bread and butter stuff. And then Kayla found I guess it's a cute pumpkin to decorate with for next year. Not for sure. And then she found a brand new pair of Old Navy shorts for herself. So pretty cool stop. Didn't fill up the cart, but still pretty good. So we're actually on the way out, and Kayla found this Woolrich made in the USA. It's a wool blanket lined field coat. I think it's gonna be $8.75, but it's in decent condition. A few stains here and there. Found one exact comp, and it sold for $50, and it had 2 holes in it, and the sleeves are raveled. So we're gonna pick that up. So it's definitely a good sign when you're starting to fill up the back of the car. That was a great stop. I'm not gonna lie. I think it was the fact that I said I was getting a shopping cart that brought about the good luck. So we're gonna get a shopping cart at every stop now. So I said we were gonna get a buggy at every stop from now on, but this place doesn't have buggies. Yeah, they got all this stuff just sitting out in the rain.
Yep, posted $20.
Posted. You don't know, these can be a bolo if they're the right model. It is flat. Check it out. There's comps for it: 84, 79, 89 new, 75 new. You know, there's some money to be made, but it's also not blown up all the way, so I'm not real sure it'll hold air. So I'm gonna pass for 20 bucks. This place is so packed full of stuff, you can barely move around. Carhartt overalls. Made in the USA. 3630, decent size. I have no idea how much they're going to be. $2 for the overalls? $2 for the overalls? Right on.
Now I'm giving you a peace sign.
Oh. Hey Kayla, what did we get? Carhartt overalls for how much?
$2.
How much?
$2.
Definitely gonna take some Carhartt overalls for $2. Bag of toys. $3. There's a chicken. There's Chick-fil-A guy. I ain't a Sharpie. And that's total randomness. Total randomness. Where's the camera? Fujifilm Zoom Date 100. So we might be buying this bag for $5. Here's that camera. There's only 2 listed. All these have sold. Not too bad. Yeah, but I mean, let's take any more. There's film to go with it. Lots of film. So I found some hats. This is an Isuzu. I'm not real sure. I've never seen that little guy before. That's why I'm getting it. Figured it might be kind of rare, but paying $2 for it. And then this vintage F&N's, F&N Herschel, their gun manufacturer. Their stuff sells really well. Never found anything vintage by them. Pretty cool. $2 a piece. 2 hats and a random bag of junk. Spent $9 total. Camera should definitely pay for it and still a little bit of profit. And now we got a bunch of rain. A little wet out here. So I found these shoes. They're made by Aldo. And look on the bottom, it's Okanagan. No idea what that is, but they're asking $150 for them. They're only $6.99 here at Salvation Army. They look basically new. Couldn't find any comps on eBay, but I found them where they were for sale for $154. So if I get like a third of that, I think I'd be pretty happy. I'm gonna grab this. Found this pair of Sorel. The only thing wrong with them is they're missing the little thingy here for the zipper. But I mean, they look brand new on the bottoms. Only $7.99. Think this would be worth it. Couldn't find any sold comps. There's one pair listed for $50, and it was a really small size. So we're gonna try it out. So this might be the cleanest pair of rollerblades that I've ever seen in a thrift store. And they only want $5.99 for them. It's got the case, paperwork, tools, everything. $5.99. Comps don't look great, but I still think it might be worth it. They're good size 10. I'm gonna grab them. Starting to fill up the car. I mean, she must be my good luck charm. She's got some good stuff there. And as soon as I say that she's my lucky charm, we hit up 2 more thrift stores and don't find anything. But that's okay. She can be my lucky charm in life. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We definitely had fun. If you want to see more of Kayla hanging out with me, hit that thumbs up button down below and let her know. We'll see you on the next one.